Since the dawn of existence, two formidable forces have shaped our understanding of the universe: science and sorcery. Often seen as diametrically opposed, a deeper look reveals an intricate dance, a shared quest for knowledge, power, and the unraveling of reality's deepest secrets. In the earliest epochs of human history, the seeds of both were sown. Our ancestors, gazing at the celestial tapestry, sought patterns, explanations for the rising sun, the changing seasons. This was the nascent spark of science: observation, hypothesis, the forging of tools, the mastery of fire. Simultaneously, they felt the whispers of the unseen, the pull of forces beyond their immediate grasp. They crafted rituals, invoked spirits, believing in an intrinsic connection between themselves and the fabric of the cosmos. This was the birth of sorcery, intuition, belief, the manipulation of perceived mystical energies. As civilizations grew, so did the divergence. Science, through systematic inquiry and empirical evidence, built towering cathedrals of knowledge. From the philosophical musings of the Greeks to the mathematical precision of Newton, from the atomic revelations of the 20th century to the vast data networks of today, science has meticulously deconstructed the universe, revealing its underlying mechanisms. Sorcery, meanwhile, journeyed along a different path. Rooted in tradition, intuition, and often shrouded in secrecy, it sought to influence reality through intention, symbolism, and communion with unseen forces. From the intricate sigils of ancient Egypt to the elemental invocations of medieval mages, from shamanic journeying to the intricate spellcraft of various cultures, sorcery tapped into a different kind of power, believing in the inherent magic within and around us. Yet, beneath their apparent differences, fascinating parallels emerge. Consider the modern data scientist, meticulously crafting lines of code to command machines, to process information, to manifest new realities within the digital realm. Their symbols are lines of syntax, their spells are algorithms, their incantations bring forth digital worlds.
By the symbols etched in fire, I command the ancient power to rise.
Is this so different from the sorcerer, carefully inscribing symbols of power, invoking specific patterns and intentions to influence the physical world? The symbols are different, the medium distinct, but the underlying principle remains: the manipulation of specific forms to achieve a desired outcome.
Arise, ancient power, awaken the light within.
And what of sound? Scientists harness sound frequencies in lab experiments, using precise vibrations to analyze materials, communicate, and even shatter objects. They understand the power of resonant frequencies, their ability to shape and alter.
Ignis et spiritus surge nunc, adveni potentia lumina aeterna.
Sorcerers, too, understand this innate power. Spells and chants are not mere words, they are focused intentions, imbued with specific vocal frequencies, intonations, and rhythms designed to resonate with unseen energies, to evoke a desired magical effect. Both acknowledge the profound impact of vibration on reality. core difference lies in the mechanism. Science seeks empirical proof, repeatable experiments, and a universal understanding based on observable laws. Sorcery often relies on belief, personal experience, and a deeper, more subjective connection to the subtle energies of the universe. Science seeks to understand how things work. Sorcery seeks to understand why and how to influence. So, should we embrace both? Absolutely. To dismiss one in favor of the other is to blind ourselves to half of reality's tapestry. Science provides us with the tools to build, to heal, to explore the physical universe with unprecedented precision. It grants us understanding, allowing us to conquer disease, travel to the stars, and unlock the secrets of matter and energy. Sorcery, or rather the principles it embodies, intuition, intention, mindfulness, and a connection to the deeper, unseen aspects of existence, can enrich our lives in profound ways. It fosters creativity, encourages self-awareness, and reminds us of the interconnectedness of all things. It offers a framework for understanding human consciousness, the power of belief, and the subtle energies that influence our well-being. Imagine a future where the rigorous inquiry of science is balanced by the intuitive wisdom of sorcery, where technology is infused with purpose and innovation is guided by a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. It is in the harmonious integration of these two ancient paths, the logical and the mystical, that humanity will truly unlock its full potential, navigating the vast expanse between science and sorcery, and forging a future more magical than any spell and more advanced than any equation.